Well, good morning everybody. I think it is still morning. I decided to come out today. It's been really wet during the night. Not raining just now, but all the trees, you can see the drips in the trees. And I actually quite like walking along and you just hear the river. I'm beside the river again. Of course I've got Darcy. And as usual, you know that I don't do power walking. I am dawdling. But it was just really to cheer everybody up. I did think, well, I'll do a wee video. Even in the rain, things can be beautiful. And there are other places that have no rain. Some have too much rain. I think we seem to have the balance right. Well, touch wood at the moment. But there's just beautiful trees and the greenery. I mean, this is really in the city. It's absolutely amazing. Oh, I've just had a drip on my nose there. Cold water on my nose. Now, I must congratulate my daughter Gail and her friend Vivian. They did the 10 lochs in a day challenge, which was wild swimming in Scotland, 10 lochs. And in fact, they managed to do an 11th one, which Gail called the Brucie bonus. And that's in memory of Bruce, my son that we lost to suicide, and they were doing this challenge for suicide prevention, and it was an excellent challenge. And the more we can try and prevent suicide, the better. And I'm just going down here to the river now, and there's only a couple of people I think in the pathway today. There we are, Darcy. She's not going down, not going into it. I'm just going to stop for a minute and listen to the water passing. Quite calming and soothing. Oh, there's some ducks. Wait till we see if we can home in on the ducks a bit. I didn't notice them, they looked like rocks, but actually they're ducks. There we are. They've got their heads, some of them got their heads down in the water, so they look actually like rocks, but they are moving. These are some ducks. Darcy obviously hasn't seen them. Now we shout out to everybody who's feeling maybe overwhelmed and just things are getting too much for them. So you need to take a step back today, and it might be a day just for relaxing today. Just try not to let negative thoughts come into your mind, and do my ABC. And of course the A today would be I love nature. I feel good in nature. Just anything that's positive. And I think an awful lot of people don't praise themselves. So if you've achieved something, just tell yourself, I am amazing. I am amazing. Just say it in your head. Nobody needs to hear it. And of course, do the deep breathing. Remember the breathing in through the nose. Hold. And then exhale through the mouth. Now it's the deep breathing. So when you breathe in, it's like blowing up your tummy. It's like from the lower diaphragm. That increases the lung capacity, the oxygen into the blood. And you will feel better, much better. I'm going to just see Darcy here's down. She's not going in the water, but she's wandering around the... So that's the A and the B. So what about C today? What do you think the C might be? Choose something that you would like to imagine. Just imagine. Close your eyes and just imagine that maybe you're in a tent or inside and you're listening to the raindrops. You're listening to the raindrops on the roof There's nothing better. I hope the water's calming you. Just a minute or two, you don't need to sit for long, but anytime you feel negative or down, just think of the ABC. And of course, remember, you can book a session with me. My intuitive reading site is open. Because sometimes we just need to talk to someone and it just cheers us up. I think the sun is trying to come through. We can see that. Right, Darcy, come on. Darcy, we'll carry on our walk, I think. Just have another wee walk and we'll go to my favourite tree. Come on, Darcy. Oh, there it is. Quite like being under this tree. And somebody playing some music as well. Oh, it's lovely under this tree. You can still hear the water, some music in the background. And there's Darcy wandering through. Right, I'm going to keep walking now. Going to walk along here. I'm coming up near my bridge. This is, I call it my bridge, but this is the one where I took a photo of the words Heart's Ease. Now I think we'll continue under the bridge ourselves and right, come on Darcy, I'll see if I can take a photo on the, well, we'll just video the words that are on this bridge. Right, we're going under the bridge now. Oh, I like the peace of the park. It's beautiful. You can hear a doggy barking in the distance. Oh. Darcy. Right, we're coming to these words, I think. And I've posted up a picture before of this, haven't I, Darcy? What is this one here? Oh, there it is. You can hardly see the words now. The moss is growing over them. That's Heart's Ease. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the marble. So I think I'll finish off the video just now and enjoy the rest of the day, and just remember, if you're getting overwhelmed, just do your ABC. And thank you for listening. Have a great afternoon. Bye.